Hello, student of class first. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your home. Student, today we are going to read theme for My Needs Water, chapter number 10, and chapter name is Water to Use. All of you know very well water is very important part of our life. Without water, we can't live. So, we cannot live without water. It's true. Animal and plants also need water. Yes, we use water for many activities. We use water to drink, cook food, bath our body, wash our clothes, put out fire, clean our home. So there are many activities and we need to water to perform all the activities. Animals need water for living, bathing and drinking. It means water is also very necessary for animals and for plants also. Plants cannot live without water because they need water to grow. At home, we get water from tap. Some other sources of water are hand pump, well, tube well. In the surrounding of your home, you get water from lake, pond, stream, waterfall and river, etc. So these all are different sources of water. And water has no shape, no color and no smell and no taste. But water can be poured. Look at the shape of the water in different vessels. In the glass, it takes the glass shape, and in the bowl, it takes the bowl shape, and this is stream. And in stream, water is in expanded form. But some activities don't need water. These are reading, writing. For reading, writing, we don't need water. For playing, we don't need water. Watching TV, don't need water. Eating fruits, don't need water. And dancing, don't need water. So these activities are those activities they don't need the water. Now at the end of lesson, here are few points. So read one by one. All the plants and animals need water. Correct? है ना? And next point, we need water for drinking, cleaning home, cooking food and washing clothes, etc. Third point, at home we get water from tap. It's a very commonly source of water. Some sources of water in our surrounding are lake, pond, stream, river, hand pump and well, etc. These are different sources of water. And last point, we don't need water for reading, writing, playing, dancing and watching TV. So these are some hard words related to your chapter My Needs Water. Animals, plants need activities, tap, well, tube well, lake, pond, surrounding, river, waterfall and pond. So learn all these hard words of this chapter. And these are few questions. First one, write 3 sources of water. So tell me, students, what are the sources of water? The 3 sources of water are well, lake and river. Next question, how does water look? So answer is water has no shape, no color, no smell and no taste. Next exercise, question time. Tick the right answer. Do animal need water? Yes. So tick here. Yes, because animal needs water. Second question, do plants need water? Yes. So tick here because plants also need water. Next exercise, complete the words. Uses of water. First one, D dash I and dash I dash G. So here you have to fill the correct spelling, and correct spelling is drinking. DRINKING. Next, W dash S dash I dash G. So correct spelling is washing. WASHING. Next, B dash T dash I N dash. So here you will fill the spelling of bathing. BATHING. And last one, C dash O dash I dash G. So here you have to fill the spelling of cooking. COOKING. So first one drinking, second one washing, third bathing, and fourth cooking. Next, your activity time. Draw the picture of sources of water and fill color in it. So you have to draw some pictures in your EVS copy and fill color in it. And B exercise, look at the picture below. Who is in water? Fish is in water. So color the picture of fish. So these are different questions and all activities of this lesson. Water to use. Bye bye student.